Dockyard Road, named after the Mumbai's docks that have been there for decades. This is one of the slum locales of the Elcock area in Dockyard. What makes these roadside slums different are the women of the area. Heading local sanitation groups and maintaining the garden lobby in the backyard, these women have successfully raised cooperative credit funds for their families. Sharanya, a 16-year-old orphan girl, started her journey a few years ago as a student of Asha Sadan. Sharanya has managed to crack the apprenticeship exam for a PSU and is now working as a trainee, earning her own livelihood. Kavita, Hina, Mary and Sakhu were one of the ordinary abandoned mentally challenged girls. Today, they are not only India's proud champions in badminton, handball, volleyball and cycling, but they have also won several medals in Special Olympics 2011 in Greece. Diverse environment, social class, age group, different challenges. Yet, apart from their passion to live a successful life, there is something else common among these women. The encouraging push that is proving to be the parental support they always needed. MDL, Mazgaon Dock Limited, a public sector undertaking under the aegis of Ministry of Defence, India.
In my view, the corporate social responsibility is not only a question of responsibility in today's context, the time in which we are living, and also in the context of our country. See, the society in which we live today, the difference between the haves and have-nots is tremendous. And therefore, if we have to survive as a nation, if we have to continue to live in an orderly manner in the society, then this gap has to reduce. It cannot go on forever. There will be some time when the people who are the have-nots may not be able to accept the reality. And therefore, it is not only a question of corporate social responsibility, it is a question of survivability for all of us.
It hasn't always been like this. In the past, this area was no different from any other slum in Mumbai. Be it Kavita, Hina or Sharanya, all of them were living the ordinary life they always thought they deserved. But under this CSR initiative, MDL has worked primarily in areas like health, sanitation and waste management in the public places around Mazgaon. With the intervention of Mazgaon Dock, the lives of these people transformed magically within a few months. It has also worked in the areas of labourers' livelihoods and their children's education.
We got to know about the doorstep school, which is already running in South Bombay, and we contacted them along with TIFs, and we have started new classes in our slum areas.
In the areas like Reti Bandar, Daru Khana, Powder Bandar, where the parents are struggling to make ends meet, women often leave the young children behind. But through MDL's initiative, the future of the children in these areas has been lit up with hope. In Ray Road, there are 2 daycare centers called Balwadis functioning in rented rooms. MDL has helped in intensifying its activities. In addition, the existing balwadis have been upgraded in terms of teaching aids so that the children can get better education.
जंगल में बंदर फुदकता है, फुदकता है, हम भी फुदकेंगे ऐसे।
The NGO running the rhyme schools needed buses to enhance the activities which were made available by Mazgaon Dock Limited. This School on Wheels initiative has helped primarily in teaching kids living in remote areas. These well-equipped buses travelling from Bandar to Bandar in Dockyard area have made a remarkable contribution towards educating children. There are many teachers who have dedicated their skills and are relentlessly working for this noble initiative. As a result, these balwadis have become a second home for these children. Huge heaps of garbage could be seen at the entrance of the Lakdi Bandar, Reti Bandar and Ray Road. With the help of the NGO initiative Environment Greenliness, MDL has resolved crucial livelihood-related issues like lack of water, poor sanitary arrangement, and improper waste management. This initiative has not only transformed the face of this area, but has also made the local residents more aware about cleanliness. This project has introduced the local people to the convenient option of using mobile toilets, which has improved sanitation levels in this area. There is also a bio-waste compositing machine set up which is successfully controlled and maintained by the local women of Elcock area. Maintaining water supply management and backyard gardening has also been a major part of this project. By taking such initiatives and implementing them successfully, MDL has offered the local residents a dignified civic life. This aftercare home works under the Children's Aid Society, Mumbai. Most of the girls here are abandoned by their families and were found loitering on the street. The children are sent here as per the decisions of the Children Welfare Committee. Mazgaon Dock Limited has been instrumental in upgrading this children's home. Along with the financial support that provides for furniture and equipments, they are also providing support for vocational skill upgradation to help the children become self-reliant.
हमारा जो जूना किचन है जो हम बहुत सालों से यूज़ करते हैं उसमें हमें ज़रा सुधार करना था। उसके लिए थोड़े उसके जो इक्विपमेंट में डालने थे कि भी उसमें हम स्टीम जनरेटर सिस्टम लगवाया है जिसकी वजह से कि बच्चों को एक हाइजीनिक फूड मिल सकता है। अभी वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग जो दिया है बच्चों का वहाँ पे हमने इनोलप और फाइल मेकिंग का वो एक नया प्रोजेक्ट चालू किया है। रमेश पाटिल जो हैं वो यही संस्था के मतिमंद बालगृह के एक एक्स इनमेट है। वो यहाँ पे आए थे, उनका जब उम्र 8 साल की थी तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग लिया, यही रहते थे यहाँ पे। जब ही उन्होंने एक अच्छा सा ट्रेनिंग लिया तो उसको एक रिहेबिलिटेशन प्रोसीजर होता है। उनका जो था IQ कम था और उनका हार्ड हियरिंग का प्रॉब्लम था उनका। उनको इस हैंडलूम के बारे में बहुत जानकारी है। उन्होंने जो हमारे 2-3 हैंडलूम्स बंद पे वो भी चालू कर दिए हैं और अब अच्छा सा प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं और ये पूरी टीम संभाल रहे हैं, पूरा यूनिट संभाल रहे हैं।
Such positive initiatives by MDL for girls from this center have resulted in 4 international champions for India. They have already helped these girls by sponsoring their tour material for the Special Olympics for Challenged People held in Greece. Students from this home are engaged in weaving, making dusters, paper bags, hand towels, other pieces of cloth and accessories. Mazgaon Dock Limited also thinks that improving the state of the looms and providing financial assistance by engaging good trainers is going to help the children even more. Asha Sadan is an NGO governed by Maharashtra State Women's Council, which was formed in 1921.
We at MDL believe that if you cannot love a person whom you can see, how can you love God whom you cannot see?
This home offers institutional care to orphan infants and girls. MDL has helped Asha Sadan with the rehabilitation process of these girls by providing financial help for employing vocational guidance teachers.
In Asha Sadan, by way of teaching those girls to write exam, they have now participated in SSC, they have passed those exams, and one of the girls have also qualified in our apprentice school as an apprentice.
Through such apt training, many girls are being inspired and encouraged to be self-reliant and independent. Asha Sadan has dedicated one entire unit to orphan toddlers. Unfortunately, many of them are suffering from physical challenges and even fatal diseases. Mazgaon Dock has taken up the responsibility of bringing in medical practitioners who also provide nutritional guidance every week.
So to that extent, I would also like to give a message to my other colleagues in the public sector units, the PSUs, that I'm sure seeing our results, they will also feel equally motivated, their management, their board, and perhaps do much more than what they are doing today in this vital area of nation building.
There is also a special care unit which provides motherly care to the newly born orphan babies. The daily nutritional and medical doses required for these infants are taken care of by the special care unit. Such contribution to these innocent lives can be counted as one of its kind. It has certainly widened the horizons of humanity.
We are known as shipbuilders to the nation. We'll also say that we are a nation builder as well.
This is just an initial effort from MDL to bring change to society. More than the financial support offered, the number of people this program has touched will certainly bring change in their generations ahead.